Sometimes in React, it's actually okay to have duplicate states. For example, here, I have this app component and we have a search state variable over here. And although the code isn't written, you can imagine that we would use this search to actually fetch some data. And then here we have a filters component. It has an onChange function, which it calls with the search. And then we're using that to set the state in this component. Now the filters component also has a search, as you can see over here. This one is used here for the input. We're passing it as the value, and then onChange, we're changing it. This is duplicate code. But although this looks bad, we actually have to do it this way. Because if you look here, we have this use effect over here, which we call the onChange function to the parent. Notice that we're not calling it with search. We're calling it with debound search, which is a delayed version of the search. It's not the same thing. So while yes, technically we have the same variable in two different components, even with the same name, both of these variables actually serve entirely different purposes. And they're not even always going to be in sync. So doing it this way is perfectly fine and is perfectly okay.